Howdy folks, welcome back to Street Rust. Hey, quick video. I want to do a quick video on this Harbor Freight. This is the ZXR 12,000 ton winch. Okay, couple quick things. I bought this set down in my shop for almost 2 years. I bought it, it was on sale. Catch it on sale, you get a great deal. I wasn't, messing around trying to get a 2,500 pound winch and a 5,000. I just got the 12 and cut my losses. This bracket I bought separately, and this I forget what you call this roller on the front, but bought it separately as well. I got everything installed. So here's the big deal that I want to share. And if you notice in the thumbnail of the video, the wiring is wrong. The wiring diagram is wrong. Very specifically, because if you wire it per the diagram, it's not going to work, and you're going to go, oh no, I got a bad winch. Well, no, you don't, because if you look at the third position over, that's a red. It says it goes to the motor. Well, that is not correct, because the third position over right here, actually, big long cord goes to the battery. So I had the big long cord on the motor, and I had the short one on the battery with the relays, and it didn't work. So I'm like, oh no. So poked around a little bit, got it figured out, put a meter on it. So definitely these instructions are not correct. Be aware of that. Okay. And so I can tell you already that we went and recovered this yesterday, and I let it down off the car trailer. I say this. It's a 1968 Ford XL, and it was able to pull that on no problem. Probably, the spec for the two-door says 3,600 pounds, but this is a 2007. I think it belongs to my son Gabriel. This is a Mazda Speed 6 turbo, all-wheel drive, and we're going to pull it down below. He's going to pull the engine, rebuild the engine. So either way, I want you to see how this winch works, okay? And I'm going to kind of get you repositioned here, because I got to finagle with the car. I only have a little bit of room to get this trailer in here, so let me get you going here. I want to save my instructions. Those are very important. They're wrong, but they're very important. So I got to get these wheels cranked, number one. Of course, it's power windows, so that's sure to be fun. So I'm going to be back and forth, folks, until I get this lined up. Just bear with me. Just want to show you how well this winch works. All right, now I got to get the wheels lined up a little more. That ramp can come over a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna have to bring it up onto the ramp. Probably not a good idea to straddle cable with all that tension like I just did. Okay, we're getting close. We're gonna bump it up a little more. Bump it up a little more. Remember, don't straddle the cable. I'm an idiot. Okay, I'm here for you to see my pain. All right, now let's see where we're at. Now I need to start straightening these wheels out. I got this thing cockeyed and doing the best I can do with what I got. There we go. We'll take it up like that. Let's see how we're looking on the other side. Ooh. Yeah, we're all right. I'm gonna bring it up, then turn it a little more. It's gonna be fun to turn those wheels while it's on that ramp, but all right. Make sure we're good everywhere. We look good. Oh, the door shut. I'm like, who was that? Casper the Ghost. All right, I'm gonna turn the wheels a little in or out towards me. See if I can walk this bad boy on. All right, right there. All right. I'm telling you, all this tension on that cable gives me the willies. Not when I'm, obviously not when I'm straddling it. Okay. All right, I got to check that other side. See if that, how good that wheel is on. Hey, let's walk between two cars. All right, we're gonna make it. I need to bring it in a little bit. We're gonna make it. Once I get it up there, whew, that may be a little too much, but sorry folks. I just want you to see this winch work. We're doing good. All right, now I'm gonna turn them in just a hair. And I ought to be able to walk this right up on there. All right, there we go. Still with me? Hey, please subscribe, okay? I need to get monetized. I'm broke. All right. All right. Let me go ahead and check. Woo, looking good. Looking good, looking good. It might be on the trailer a little cockeyed, but yeah, we're looking good. It's gonna work just fine, folks. Just fine. I'm not gonna be able to put it back in gear because the windows are electric. So I'll tie it down and rip the front bumper off. All right, there's a lot of weight on that. I'm gonna check the other side again real quick. Still looking good, a little cockeyed, but I think we're gonna make it. If I could take it a little to the right before. Oh, come on. A little to the right. You know what, I'm gonna let it back a little bit. Got a backwards button. Backwards, Shazam. Okay. Let me turn it a little to the right. This car is small enough, it's not gonna have a problem fitting even its little cattywampus. I don't think I'd want to drive it. We're just taking it down the back side of the property. Yep. Yeah, it's hitting over there. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. All right, looky there, folks. Looky there. All right. So let's take a quick look at everything. All right. So that thing zipped it up on here, no problem. The problem was I didn't have enough space from the vehicle to my hill there, and worked out really well. It's on there cattywampus, but nonetheless, it is on there. I may pull it up just a hair more. And I don't want to pull it too tight because I'm going to start pulling it down. I think I'm just going to leave it right there. We're just moving it a couple hundred feet. So, hey folks, thanks for watching. Please remember, look at the instructions and look at this video. Here's the bottom line. The long wires, the long red wire goes to the positive with your relays to the battery. The long black wire that goes to the bottom of the motor that you have to hook up also goes to the battery. And all the short ones that are color coded and the terminals are color coded, do it and you'll be fine. Thank y'all and be blessed.